Stephen Lewis, and I'm the system admin for Syspro at LeaderTech, located in Tampa, Florida. LeaderTech is a manufacturer of shielding, mostly EMI shielding for circuit boards, for electronics, for any kind of device that has any kind of power to it, throws a signal, and we make shielding to help compensate for those signals. We manufacture, ship, take orders, do everything in one-stop shop here in Tampa. We have a couple different basic product lines. They all basically serve the same function as in providing shielding. There are different types of metals and different types of materials for different types of applications. We have two standard product lines, one being beryllium copper and the other one being mostly cold rolled steel and nickel silver alloys and other types of, basically a bunch of types of metals that will do different shielding properties. Shielding will block signals from different electronic devices from interfering with each other. We offer our standard product line that we try to fit into most applications to kind of meet our customers' needs. If a customer needs something that our standard product can't, help them out with, we do a custom design team on site. We can do prototype runs, we can do small orders and sample orders, and really work with our customers' engineering team to design in what they want. The company was looking for an ERP system to expand what they currently had. They chose Syspro because of its offerings and because of what features Syspro had to offer. As we've grown over the years, our usage of Syspro has grown, and we've purchased new modules, we started using new features, we've changed how we were using Syspro to streamline it, and as Syspro has improved, we've done improvements to match that as well. One of the biggest benefits of using Syspro is the fact that all the information is there, from planning to inventory control to sales orders to accounting modules to anything you want to see. There usually is a spot for it inside of Syspro, and it's easily accessible from all the other screens. Syspro has definitely helped us save time and money by streamlining processes, by taking a look at how we're doing things and how we can incorporate them in the Syspro, as well as the ability to generate reports, to track finances, to track scrap rates, to track times taken to manufacture. It has really helped us focus in on where we had some inconsistencies or where we had some bottlenecks, and then help alleviate those bottlenecks and then save money in the process. Syspro does help us become more efficient because of its customization. We can customize the screens, only show the fields that are needed, bring in other parts of other screens to help with order entry, to help with job query, to help with these tasks that happen over and over again. It definitely helps us compete because we have such a short lead time. The ability to take an order, place an order, schedule the job, create a purchase order is key. If we can get the process started up front, we give manufacturing more time to meet their deadlines.